Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link your Outlook calendar to Microsoft Planner. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to view all your planner tasks directly in your Outlook calendar, helping you stay organized across both platforms without switching back and forth. Let's get started. First, you need to open Microsoft Planner. To do this, open a browser window and type in planner.cloud.microsoft in the address bar, then hit enter. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Planner login page. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials at this point. Make sure you're using the account associated with your work or organization, as that's where your plans are stored. Once you've successfully signed in, give it a moment for your Planner dashboard to fully load. You should see your workspace appear with all the tools and options you need to manage your tasks and projects. Now that you're in, we can move forward with linking your plan to Outlook Calendar. The next step is to select the specific plan you want to link. Look at the left navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled My Plans. Click on it and a list of all your available plans will appear on your screen. These are all the plans you've created or been added to within your organization. Browse through this list carefully and select the plan you wish to link to your Outlook calendar. This step is important because you can choose which plans appear in your calendar, giving you control over what gets synced and what doesn't. Once you've clicked on your chosen plan, you'll be taken to the Plan Overview page. This is where all the magic happens, and the process from here is quite straightforward. At the top part of your screen, you'll notice the plan's name displayed as a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it to expand the menu. This drop-down contains several options for managing and sharing your plan. From the expanded menu, you'll directly see an option that says Add Plan to Outlook Calendar. This is exactly what we need. Simply click on this option and your plan will be instantly synced to your Outlook calendar. What this does is create a calendar entry in Outlook that reflects all the tasks and due dates from this specific planner plan. Any changes you make in Planner will automatically update in your Outlook calendar, keeping everything in sync without any extra effort on your part. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Microsoft Planner to your Outlook calendar, making it much easier to track deadlines and manage your workflow across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.